Hi friends, this is David with David's Cane Machines and welcome back to the David's Cane Machines channel. We have received this question many times over the years. Can you use a blender to make sugarcane juice? Stop before I go any further. Friends, if you are watching this video, we are not recommending you use a blender to make sugarcane juice. We are simply seeing, and this will be the first time that I've ever tried this, if a blender can make sugarcane juice. But I'm not telling you to go out there and take your $2,000 Breville blender and see if it will make sugarcane juice, okay? So now that we are covered, let's get into the demo. Friends, what we did here is decide what kind of sugarcane to use, what would be feasible to try in a blender. Hard, rock hard sugarcane, green varieties, don't even think about it. But there is a sugarcane that is very common for eating. This is called red cane. In different parts of the world, they have different names for it, but it's very easy to chew on. It's very soft. It tastes so good. So that's, by the way, nature's oldest juicing started like that before we ever had the machines. But friends, can you put sugarcane in a blender? And that's what we're going to find out today. So using our Peel Pro peeler, that's how you clean these canes. Watch this, okay? The Peel Pro peeler takes the hard skin and removes the part of the cane that's hard, okay? See this? Okay, so the Peel Pro, which we sell, it's available on our website on canemachines.com, is what you'll use to skin your canes, and it gets the hard part of the skin off so that the soft remains. Now, I already have some pre-peeled here, so what we can do is take, what I would recommend you do is remove the rings, okay? The rings on the cane, if you look right there, this is the hardest part of the cane, where the rings are. So you want to cut where the rings are, right? So I will cut where the rings are and I will remove the rings, okay? So our Peel Pro is a knife and a peeler in one. Isn't that cool? Two things in one. All right, so just cut it. All right, now here's the hard ring part, so I'll cut that. Now that one I'll throw away, all right? Now the other piece. All right, so let's put a few pieces in the blender at first just to try. This would be the very first time that I've ever tried to juice sugarcane in a blender. So this is straight off the top of my head. And again, friends, we're not telling you to do this. We're simply showing you if it's possible or not. Okay, so here's your soft sugarcane. Put it in your blender. Make sure you check if there's any hard rings. You want to remove those because these are like hard as a rock on any sugarcane in the middle. So remove the rings and put only the soft pieces that you can easily chew on, all right? Put the soft pieces in there. All right, now what we do is try to blend it up, all right? This will be the very first time that I have ever tried to blend sugarcane in a blender. Let's see what happens. This is a Philips blender. I'm sure Philips is going to be very interested in this video. Okay, here we go. There we go. All right, this has a safety feature which I didn't know about. All right, so it blended it up. And what I'll do is I will pour this blended part into my cup here. And this is a French presser, okay? Remove any hard pieces. This is really cool. All right, now we'll put it in there and we will see if any juice comes out. All right, I'm gonna press this. No. I promised when I did this demo that I would show you guys everything. Does it work or does it not work? In a French press with the little tiny holes, it's not working. So let me put some in my hand and squeeze it here. It's not coming out either. So friends, guess what? Can you use a blender to make sugarcane juice? No. But I'll tell you what, there's a lot of animals that would love this powder right here. And I can still get the juice out the original way.